Yes, tie-in trap. We're trying to introduce this new packaging concept to the consumers. And basically what we want to do is do away with the twisty tie. Twisty tie, when you buy your bread from whatever retailer store, you always tend to lose it. When you close up the bread, you always need to end up doing either a knot on it, it gets all tangled up and everything. Kids end up even rip the bag. What we want to do is teach this new concept right now. Basically, you buy the bread from the store, take your bread out, pull your bread out, and then once you close it, no twisty tie, it's just a tie-in trap that keeps it closed completely. The great thing about this concept is that also with the crackers, there's nothing at all that keeps it fresh. Unless you don't eat the whole sleeve, it's going to go bad, it's going to go stale. Right now with this new concept, you pull out your crackers, you close it up, and it stays fresh also for as long as you want it.
Really like this idea. My fingers are stiff from doing construction over the years, so using a little twist tie is much more difficult, where this, just opens right up, closes right up really quick. Anything that we can make life easier with is certainly a time saver. I like how this is going to close it up, because usually I just fold the end up, throw it back in my refrigerator, but then the end pieces are getting stale, where if I could twist this tight, my bread would last longer.
I think it's an awesome product. It's long overdue. Because it really does help, and you can't lose the twisty tie, and my wife can't tie a knot in the bread that I can't take or lose. But it really is an awesome product. I think it's a revolutionary product. Everything across the industry has to be resealed, so it's an awesome product.
Once you take your package, your food out of the package, you just twist it, tie it, it locks in the freshness, it's tied, it's trapped, it's easy to use.
I think it makes it easier, keeps your products fresher, longer. I mean, I've had things where I bought them and opened them once, and then you go back to use it and it's stale. So you having this, you save money because you don't have to go back and repurchase something that you have and throw away. So it eliminates waste.
So it's just built in as you use up the product. The wire stays fresh, so it's going to stay twisted.
Wow, that is a great idea. The other day, me and my husband were cleaning out our pantry, just throwing away a ton of stuff. And it's stuff that we could have saved, if we had a tie-in trap. So I think it's awesome.
So the benefit for this is it also works for the elderly, for children, even for some of the disabled people who have a hard time taking that wire off. All they do, twist the whole package, and they're ready to put it on the table and keep walking.
I think it's very beneficial because you have kids, and every time the kids go into either crackers or bread or any type of opening type product like that, you tend to lose the tie for it, and having it right on the product itself will lend itself to easy closure and easy use, and you don't have to worry about searching for it.
My son has autism, and he has fine motor skill issues, and so the fact that he just leaves everything open and lays it no matter where he finds it or leaves it, this would allow him to be able to tie the bread up a little bit more easier.